Long Island Trust Law Firm, Schlessel Law PLLC, Trust Lawyers. The most important aspect of estate planning is that it grants your wishes about passing assets on to loved ones. A well-designed estate plan can protect assets, ensure business succession, and help families avoid estate or death taxes. Estate planning tools can also prevent your family from losing their inheritance. These tools can be used to provide for special needs loved ones or for elderly relatives who are eligible for government benefits. Trusts and wills are two of the most popular estate planning tools. A will is a basic document that outlines a person's wishes about assets and who should be the beneficiaries. They are generally beneficial for small estates. Experienced trust attorney on Long Island. Trusts are an important part of a comprehensive estate plan. A qualified Long Island trust lawyer can help clients with estate planning and managing their estates. Trusts, wills, and other planning documents can be very useful if they are well designed. Trusts are a way to ensure your assets are managed properly and kept safe for your loved ones. The purpose and benefits of having a trust. A trust is an important estate planning tool that allows a person to set up their assets. A trustee is the party designated to manage the estate in accordance with the instructions from the owner. The party who created the trust is referred to as the grantor or creator. In some cases, the trustee and the grantor may be the same person. Other benefits of having a trust are: to avoid probate, beneficiaries receiving assets sooner, privacy and protection of assets, reduction of gift and estate taxes, allows the establishment of conditions for asset distribution. Types of trusts on Long Island, New York. Depending on one's estate planning needs, many types of trusts are available. Trusts can be used to protect assets, avoid probate, reduce estate taxes, provide protection for vulnerable beneficiaries, and even set aside funds for charities. The following are the most common types of trust in New York State and on Long Island. An irrevocable trust is the foundation of asset protection. A grantor would not want to spend all their assets on long-term or nursing home care. Placing assets in an irrevocable trust can help the creator qualify for Medicaid benefits. This includes nursing home care and home care. In certain cases, it may even be possible to become qualified for assisted living programs. Also known as supplemental needs trust. This type of trust is intended to continue the care of a child who has special needs. It does not affect government benefits such as SSI or Medicaid. A creator may be able to establish a special needs trust in their will or as a living trust. In a supplemental needs trust, assets can often be used to pay for services or items not covered under governmental benefits. This can sometimes include vacations or home modifications. An irrevocable life insurance trust, ILIT, can help a grantor save thousands or even hundreds of thousands in estate taxes if the estate exceeds New York or federal estate tax exemptions. An irrevocable life insurance trust is responsible for the insurance policy of the creator. As the creator, you can choose the trustee, and then designate beneficiaries. You can control the trust by defining the instructions that the trustee should follow. This trust's assets will go straight to your children or other beneficiaries, bypassing your estate and spouse's estate. Bypassing both estates can help you avoid estate taxes and save a higher percentage of the insurance proceeds. Revocable trusts allow you to move your assets into a trust, while also maintaining full control of the said assets. You can amend, modify, and revoke this trust at any time during your lifetime. The trust assets will be passed on to the beneficiaries named in the will in the event the creator passes away. Revocable trusts are used to avoid probate. Probate is the legal process that proves your last will and testament. The process of proving a last will and testament can take months after the creator passes away. Revocable trusts are very helpful in cases where beneficiaries may challenge a will or other inheritance disputes. However, revocable trusts do not offer asset protection. If you want asset protection, an irrevocable trust may be the better option for you. There are a few different types of charitable trusts, but the CRT, Charitable Remainder Trust, is the most common. This type of trust is a life income gift that allows you to transfer assets immediately and receive a charitable deduction for a portion of the transfer. You or your beneficiary will then receive income tax-free for the remainder of your lives or for a set period. A CRT has the primary advantage of giving you a tax deduction on your present income to allow for charitable gifts that you receive during your lifetime. How do I fund a trust? After a trust is created and named, funding the trust is your next step. The act of funding a trust is simply the transfer of assets to the trust. This makes the trust the new owner of your assets. It is important to note that your trust should be a tool to protect and hold your assets. It is worthless unless you actually put the assets in it. Transferring assets to a fund involves renaming assets to become trust-owned. Is a will or trust better? Both trusts and wills may be part of a comprehensive estate plan. However, it is important to really understand each estate planning tool and how they might benefit you. These benefits can include avoiding probate after your death, leaving instructions about who can decide for you in case you become incapacitated, or creating a continuous source of income for your loved ones. Seeking the help of experienced Long Island trust attorneys. Seth Schlessel and our team of experienced lawyers at Schlessel Law PLLC have the years of experience required to understand your unique situation and the trust vehicles that might be the most beneficial. With our guidance, you should be able to determine which type of trust is most suitable for your personal and financial goals. The right trust can be a great way to achieve your privacy, estate protection, and asset protection goals. Call us at 516-574-9630 today to schedule a consultation in Nassau County or Suffolk County on Long Island.